Welcome to day 1 of the 30 days meditation challenge. For today, we'll be meditating for 1 minute together. We will be focusing on our breath, inhaling to 4 counts, holding for 1, and exhaling to 5 counts and hold. I will be guiding you for the first few breaths. Start by settling into a comfortable seated position on a chair or cross-legged on a cushion. Make sure your back is upright but not overextended. Your shoulders are nice and relaxed. You can choose to open your eyes to a nice soft gaze or gently close your eyes. Let us begin. First, exhale completely and let's inhale together for 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. Inhale 3, 2, 1. Hold. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Inhale 3, 2, 1. Hold. Out 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Out. Hold on your own now. Well done. You have come to the end of the day 1 of the 30 days challenge. It feels a bit short, doesn't it? But guess what? 3 mindful breaths is all you need. Have a mindful day and I'll see you tomorrow.